This tiny Viking is trying to escape the painter's table. And the wild thing is, there's no cuts, no camera. It's all one 30-second take using the new Seedance 2.5, which is available now on Higgsfield. Let's watch it. Pretty amazing, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how I made that video using Seedance 2.5, but also we'll go into some comparisons as well. We'll take a look at Seedance 2.0 versus Seedance 2.5 and talk about the differences and the new features that it brings. If you like what you see and you want to try it out for yourself, then there'll be links in the description where you can check out Seedance 2.5 on Higgsfield right now. Let's get straight into how I created this video. The first thing I needed to do was create some references. The character, the mini, the scene, and the style. And I used Higgsfield to create all these images too using Nano Banana 2. Here is the reference I created of a Viking resin 3D printed miniature. Here is the reference of the painter that I wanted to put in the video. I also added a tone for it to try and emulate throughout the video. And this was a reference for the workshop that I wanted the whole scene to take place. One of the big upgrades with Seedance 2.5 is you can now add up to 30 assets. Okay, back into Higgsfield, we've got our references. Now let's make a video from them. So all I had to do was go up to the video section. From here, I could add all my references. I put it in my prompt, which I'll explain in a moment. And one other big upgrade with Seedance 2.5 is you can now do up to 30 seconds duration in one shot. Previously, it was a maximum of 15 seconds with Seedance 2.0. So that's a huge increase, double what you could do previously. For the aspect ratio, I had 16:9, but you can change this to various other options as well. Now, it does have a maximum quality of 720p currently, and then the prompt as well. So with the prompt, I tried to be as detailed as possible. I set the scene, what was happening, and went through each shot as if it was going to do it all in one go. So through this prompt, I basically described what I was trying to do. I wanted it to be a miniature being painted by a painter, and he puts it down on the table. When the man turns away, the miniature would try and run off the end of the table, get to the end, pause for a moment and hesitate before taking a leap of faith. Time slows down as he's drifting down, but before he's able to land, he feels something pick himself back up. He looks and is face to face with the painter. The painter looks disapprovingly and then puts him down on the table before getting his paintbrush and painting over his face, and the screen goes flat. Now, from the result, I think that held pretty well. Let's watch that one more time now that I've explained what I was trying to do, and you can see how it's all come together through just those references and the prompt and the consistency that is now there in Seedance 2.5. It followed it really well, and that was the second generation I did. So if I was to fine tune those little mistakes that it made along the way, it could get even better than that. Okay, now let's take a look at a comparison from Seedance 2.0 to Seedance 2.5. Take a look. Seedance 2.5 understands cinema better. It knows where to bring the camera in. It knows how to bring it in, focus, and pull back when it's needed. It's a huge jump up from the previous 2.0. Here's one more 2.0 versus 2.5 we can take a look at. Once again, 2.5 shows that it's more grounded, it has more impact, and it's more dynamic. It feels more alive and real. Remember before when I said it can now hold up to 30 assets in one generation? Well, here's a good example of that. We can see a generation being created and all the assets that went into that. And you can see them actually in the scene, the characters, the objects, the environment, it's all in there. Have a look.
Birthday, buddy! I did all of this alone. I told one person it was my birthday. One. Shh. This team is family. Family! I planned everything myself. Team morale is basically my cardio.
Seedance 2.5 can understand even more styles as well. Things like animation, sitcoms,
I told you I could do it. 10 seconds and nothing's falling apart. That's a record.
and even music videos.
Let the rhythm take you in. We're chasing highs. Nothing's gonna bring us down. Feel the heat. It's a...
So as you can see, Seedance 2.5 has brought a new level to cinematic AI videos. And it brings so much more into that package as well. 30 assets into one shot, which brings tighter consistency into your environments, characters, and styles. It doubles the original 15-second generation to now 30-second generation in that one shot. And it understands things better in the world, how things react to each other, the impact, and of course, the shots. So if you've always had an idea for a film that you wanted to create, now's the time. Jump over to Higgsfield, check out Seedance 2.5, and put your imagination to use. I hope you found value in this video, and thanks for watching.